Are you planning to clear the UPSC exam? Then you are at the right place. Veranda IAS. For the past 5 years, on an average, more than 8 lakh candidates apply for the UPSC exam, out of which only 800 candidates make it to the final selection. Hence, if we look at the success ratio, it is less than 0.1%, making it one of the toughest exams, also known as the mother of all exams. So what exactly does it take to clear the UPSC exam? Understanding the need of the exam, organized and precise strategy, integrated and comprehensive methods of learning techniques, right guidance and mentoring to keep you motivated throughout the course of your preparation, enriching commitment and determination, brainstorming sessions and test series to make you exam ready. We at Veranda IAS chisel the officers out of the aspirants. What do we do at Veranda IAS? Veranda IAS offers you PLP program and ILP program along with Prelims test series, Prelims fast track, CSAT, mains answer writing, optional papers, mock interview, personality test. In this video, we will be learning about PLP program. Veranda IAS Prelims Learning Program focuses on the Preliminary State Civil Services Examination (CSE) and other State Public Service Commission group exams. Its enriching video content, mentor-mentee interactive sessions, and concise study materials supported by learning techniques such as mind maps, 360-degree approach, flowcharts, images, etc. will aid the aspirants to successfully clear both General Studies Paper 1 and General Studies Paper 2 or CSAT. Features of PLP: 540 plus hours of video content and 250 plus hours of mentorship, 170 plus hours of inspiring and interactive sessions with bureaucrats and subject knowledge experts, We Clarify sessions, brainstorming sessions, and much more. Coverage of prelims and coverage of associated or interrelated subjects of mains, curated study materials and knowledge check after video lecture to ensure better understanding, along with 12 books for reference covering the UPSC syllabus. Daily, weekly and monthly tests to evaluate the level of your preparation at regular intervals. Extensive learning, exhaustive content and enriching tests to strike out rote learning. In addition, we also offer you various brainstorming sessions. We Clarify to clear the doubts related to the subject, everyday newspaper analysis to clarify the important articles in the newspaper, daily current affairs, All India Radio (AIR) and Press Information Bureau (PIB) consolidation, important news coverage from AIR and PIB, budget and economic survey discussions, Yojana and Kurukshetra monthly compilation to cover important schemes, tips and tricks to crack prelims exams, quick revision modules, previous year question analysis. 4 noble truths to clear the exam: the correct approach and strategy, curated study materials and guidance, tricks and hack for the exam, brainstorming sessions, periodic evaluation, test series and revision. We at Veranda IAS make sure that the aspirants are up to date and shall not guide you to study, but will make you study. Contact us options: support@verandaias.com, www.verandalearning.com/IAS. Call us at +91 755 011 9911.